Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful rotisserie restored 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a big block 454 car, healthy big block in it too. It's a mild built 454. Muncie 4-speed. Car's got factory air, factory tach and gauges, and it is rotisserie restored, guys. It's body color underneath. 12-bolt 331 rear end. Really just a pretty car. It's about a 5-year-old rotisserie restoration, so there's a couple of things you can nitpick on it. He figured about 3,000–4,000 miles on it since the car was done, and very nice. You can see it's finished in cranberry red. It's got the black vinyl top, the black SS stripes. It's got the 15-inch SS rallies all the way around it with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Does have the functional cowl hood with the hood pins. Again, factory tach and gauges. And a good looking car. I can't tell you that I have put other than a mile or so on the car. You know, it's just the weather here is rough, guys, and like I say, this thing's all body color underneath, so I don't want to be running it down the road, to be honest with you. Unfortunately, it's spitting a little snow right now. You can see a little droplets on the bumper. But pretty car. Got it up on the hoist, took some pictures of the bottom. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. Again, your flapper hood works. Black vinyl top's in great shape. The glass is nice. Sorry about the snow, guys. Welcome to Michigan. There's a little touch-up spot there. There's just some wax in there, guys. Just a little. And just a little wax under there reflecting off of there. Car's nice and straight down the sides, good rubber, nice set of wheels. I know we're going to have the turn signals checked. I don't know if the flasher unit's bad, but they come on, but they're not flashing. So we'll have that checked out. Air does work. Front disc brakes. Again, not a matching numbers car, but it is a mild built 454 motor in it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. You can see it's got the Winners, the GM aluminum intake in it. Factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, and factory AC. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Detailed up real nice. And again, it's got the functional cowl hood. I noticed some touch-up spots here on the hood. New mirrors, new door rubbers. Door handles are new. got the black vinyl interior. That's just a little snow, guys. New carpet. There's some touch-up marks. Again, not trying to pick it apart, but man, we just try to show you anything that we see. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter, sports steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Again, FISA factory gauge. It's showing 27,938 on the odometer there. Factory tach and gauges. AM radio. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath. I think it said Muncie 4-speed. 12-bolt 331 rear end with the rear sway bar. It's got a big front sway bar on the car too. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Again, car is gorgeous underneath. Got you some nice pictures of that. It's just a little wax there, guys. Nathan fired up here. Something, I don't know what that is. Cleaned up now. Good running, big block, little rev. Took your air on? Okay. Oh, it did come out. I didn't know if it being as cold as it is. I didn't know. It's working good. Yeah, get that down with one hand. Good. 40 in. Do a little rev, Nathan. See your flapper hood does work. I think all your gauges are functional. And I've got some ones down there working. And I don't know if I don't think the one's working. I'll get those on the other side. Parking brake does work, guys. The blinkers aren't working, Nathan. Like I say, I'll get those blinkers checked out. Get them checked out. Looks like gauges are working, except for the voltmeter down there. It's not working. I don't know if it's working up in the dash. Radio, I don't know if it's working. No on the radio. The blower motor does work. Everything's functional. Again, we'll check the blinkers. We'll have those looked at. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Also, you can check out our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our YouTube page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.